Welcome back to Diane's channel.
War against municipalities. Now, war against ourselves on same-show. Siblings against siblings in African ring. Drinking blood from the bed through our local fire. Look, we now have created gaps within our walls. Scary to our children, marrying our wives. We throw stones on each other's door, pointing bad fingers to blasphemy. Let's ride on our feet, not for a feast. Let's give colors to make a ring. Let's beat, not drumbeat for the master. Let's rise and display our height. At the lack of love, dance through the
Mosiah has given us
revealing mankind, daring
poetry,
through the rock of Olumide Nigeria, warming the goodness of
dance,
South Africa.
and song.
Africa for the Africans by Marcus Garvey.
Yeah.
Say, Africa for the Africans, like America for the Americans. This the rallying cry for a nation, be it in peace or revolution. Blacks and men no longer crying fools. They demand a place, they demand a free self-governing state. Hooray, hooray! Great Africa waits. She's calling her sons and not for sea. But the colors of the nation run, even though assailed by enemies.
Say, Africa for the Africans, like America for the Americans. This is the rallying cry for a nation, be it in peace or revolution. Blacks and men no longer crying fools. They demand happiness, not like victims, but among the wealth of nations great. They demand a free, self-governing state. Hooray, hooray, great Africa wins. She's calling her sons and none forsakes, but the colors of the nation run, even though assailed by enemies' guns. Cry it aloud and shout it in, hooray! Cry it aloud and shout it in, hooray! Time has changed to hail. New Africa, we are now awakened. Rise to see, we shall fight for dearest liberty. Mighty kingdoms have been truly read on the balls of black men. Facts declared, history tells the all-abundant truth. Africa waits to arrive for said. Europe cries Europeans. Oh, Italians claim Asia. So Australia for Australians and Africa for Africans.
Black man's hands have now joined together. They will fight and break all that together. Motherland to face and make her free, spreading joy for all to live and see. None shall turn us back to freedom's name. We go marching like to men's faith, who have given lost and coast to gain, sending evil in flying crippled wings. Black men shall in groups reassemble, rich and poor, and the great and humble. Justice shall be their rolling cry. When millions of soldiers pass us by, look for that day, coming surely soon. When the sons of Ham show no food, could the deeds of Belial do, which shall bring giants for peace of sea. Hooray, hooray, better time are near. Let us front the conflict and prepare. Greet the world as soldiers breaking through. Thunder not, Africa shall speak.
We were once victims altogether, victims of slavery and disunity, ruled by our masters, made them crying fools of ignorance for protection. All pain and agony we shed, caught and locked up in jail, all because of war for power. We could not run from our enemy's gun, but depended on ourselves for a living. Disunity, war, and hatred flowed through our necks. The irritating sounds of death kept us freezing still. But now the enemy is vanquished, so must be greediness and hatred. So I say hail, hail, cause time has changed and Africans are no longer damn fools. We shall now see the rising of a new dawn to reclaim what belongs to us. New Africans will be awakened by the songs of peace and unity. No more war, no more guns. Africa, rise and unite. We have just one Africa, so let's value it. One Africa, one continent, one identity. Africa, unite.
Yeah.
My gaze is full of your blood, your beautiful black blood through the white thread of yours, the blood of your sweat, the sweat of your work, slavery work, the slavery of your children. Africa, tell me Africa. So it is this man that cares and sets under the weight of humility. This trembling back with red zeppelin, who says yes to the weight of the beating roots. So seriously, a wise man said to me, it is your son, this robust and young tree. This treeless, delicately alone in the middle of the flowers, white and faded. It is Africa, your Africa, that pushes back Stockholm, and whose roots gradually have the bitter taste of freedom.
Thank you.
Right, thank you. So
The judges
but the
are
song
judging.
itself, the second part of it where you had the background music actually made it a little bit more uplifting. The poem was good. I don't know about the French. I think we should have had another African language in there. And the dance, which was the same song as the Serafina group, I was wondering why it couldn't be combined or even somehow change the song with the second group.
This was
You understand? But overall, it was good. It was good.
large ensemble, broken
yeah,
up, as I
all I
said,
can say
in song,
is that it
poem,
was a
and
commendable
dance
performance.
from hillside.
A little monotonous in parts, to be frank. I felt that
Please share,
something went amiss, wrong
like,
at the beginning.
subscribe,
Wherein it
and
seemed
hit
as though we had a
the
double
notification
performance. One was a cappella and one was accompanied with the music. Maybe there was
God
a
bless.
misunderstanding there, but